Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You should be in your active franchise or roster screen already. Once there, pause and go straight to roster management. You will see the depth chart and player list. Pick the current starter and the backup you want to promote. Make the swap on the depth chart by highlighting the QB slot and choosing Change Starter. This initiates the switch so the game recognizes who will take snaps next. Once you change the starter, move into the detailed editing view to align roles and play responsibilities. You need to edit play caller settings, preferred play styles, and audible permissions so the new QB behaves as expected. Make sure to check packages and injury status. If the incoming QB lacks experience in your scheme, tweak coach settings or assign easier plays. When done, you save roster. After saving, take the new starter into a practice rep or exhibition game to validate timing, audibles, and mobility under pressure. You want to make sure play calling and animations match expectations. If something feels off, return to roster management and reassign roles. Make a secondary save or export the roster file as a backup. If the swap does not stick, reload the roster save, clear temporary game cache, and reapply the change. This usually resolves.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.